Hi, in this video we'll be looking at the publishing of your decision trees. This new publish button replaces the activation button, and I'll show you why we did that by pressing the publish button. So firstly, just before you publish anything, just have a quick look to make sure that there are no connectors that are missing. So everything should be connected. So for example, if you have a situation like that, that won't activate because the LeadsHook will see both of these as a starting point of your decision tree, so it won't activate. Similarly, if you have any one of these nodes that are exit that are missing, because then decision tree recognizes that there's or the LeadsHook, sorry, I should say, recognizes that there's a path that's missing, and so the decision tree will fail. So it will prevent publishing of your decision trees. So when you're ready and everything looks good, press the publish button. And what this does, it actually compiles all the code and pushes it through to a content delivery network and does a bunch of stuff behind the scenes to make sure that the activated or the published version of your decision tree loads quickly. And once you've done that, the button will appear as proceed. Click that, and this is the new edition. It's a versioning that we have, which is I can just say that that's my version 1. Oops, if I can spell today. Version 1, and give it some notes. These are optional fields, so you don't have to. But just for the purpose of, if you are making changes continually, and if you want to revert back, you can. So we have reversion inbuilt into the system now. So say let's say initial publish, and if you want, you can put today's date in. So you can say, I don't know, 10th of May 2019 if you want to. We do track the dates, and go ahead and press save. Now this has been activated, and that is your version 1. It tells you when it was published. So if I press that, it'll show me which is live and what you can do with it. So if I press that, I can go ahead and see what was published and the last date that it was edited, the node. The other thing you have is you can go preview and you can go rename it. So you can go ahead and change that. Right, so I'm going to cancel that. Now let's say if I press the preview now, it'll show me whatever there was. Excuse the ugliness, just playing with the test environment here. But if I make a change, so let's say in this one here, I make a change now and just put intro 1, and I go ahead and save that. The live version that you have right now has not been affected at all. Okay, so you're still running that version there. If I want to republish it, then I go ahead and press publish, and it'll go back and check to see what changes have been made. It'll go publish, and I'll go version 2, and I can go and add my notes now. Added a 1 to the first node. Okay, go ahead and press save, and that's gone and published version 2. All right, so I hope that sort of makes sense. What's happening here is that now that version is live. If you want to push it back to the original version, go ahead and just press publish over here, and they'll publish that particular version for you. Okay, so you can revert back to prior versions if something goes wrong. All right, so I hope that sort of explains to you what to do. Now, in terms of what to put on your website, if you want to embed, that's the embed code. And I'll make a separate video about the embed codes. This is just for publishing. Thank you, and bye for now.